Welcome to Maths with Steve. I'm Steve, and we are starting to work through paper 2, reasoning paper of our SATs revision. Right, how I'm going to do it with these ones is I'm going to ask you to pause the video at the beginning, have a go, and then I will go through the answers with you. So pause it there, have a go, let's see. Okay, so question 1, it says, in this grid, there are 4 multiplications. Write the 3 missing numbers. Okay, so let's work through this. We've got 4 times 8. Well, we know what 4 times 8 is, don't we? 8, 16, 24, 32. So here I write 32. Now, I can go across here, on this one, or I could go down to try and get this one here, and it depends on just whichever one you prefer. I'm going to go across, so I've got 3 times something equals 21. Well, what I can do to help me out with that is I can do 21 divided by 3, do the inverse, and 21 divided by 3 is 7. So therefore, that one's going to be 7. Okay, finally, we've got 4 times 3. Well, what's 4 times 3? 4 times 3 is 12. Okay. And question 2, what number is 1,000 less than 9,072? Now, you can probably already see this, but if you can't, some people can't see it straight away, you do 9,072 take away 1,000. Just as simple as that. 2 take away nothing is 2. 7 take away nothing is 7. Nothing take away nothing is nothing. And 9 take away 1 is 8. So the answer is 8,072. Okay, question 3. Order the numbers starting with the largest. Match each number with its order. Okay, pause the video, have a go, and then I'll go through it. Right, okay, let's have a look. So, I've got 1,009,909, 1,023,065, 1,009,099, and 1,230,650. Right, okay. So we want to start with the largest, don't we? So what you can do is you can work through them one by one. You can go, right, okay, here we go. The first number is a 1. They've all got a 1, okay? The next number here is a 0. So let's see, has everything got a 0? No, it hasn't. This one has a 2, and 2 is bigger than 0. Therefore, this one is the biggest. Let's go down to the next one. Okay, I've got a 0. There's a 0 there. There's a 2 there, and there's a 0 there. So that 2 is bigger than a 0, so that's going to be the second biggest. Okay, next one, I've got a 9. Now, yeah, there's a 9 there as well. Okay, the next one after that, I've got another 9. But this one's a 0, and 9 is bigger than 0. So therefore, this one is going to be third. And this one here is going to be fourth. Okay, question 4. Now, you might want to just draw this out on some squared paper so that you can have a really good go at it. So pause the video, sketch it out, and see how you do. Right, okay, so some people find these really, really tricky, I used to find them really tricky as well, actually, but then I found this way that I think works best. Now, this here is the mirror line, and all I need to do is I need to count the squares away from the mirror line. And so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to choose a corner. So I'm going to choose this top corner here, and I'm going to go from there to the mirror line. 1, 2. Now I just need to do that on the other side. 1, 2. So there's my first point. In fact, I'm just going to do that in red so I can see the difference. Okay, now I can do the same thing with the other one. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4. And go 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a red dot in there. Okay. Next one I'm going to have a go at is this one here. So from here it's going to go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Red dot in. Okay, and then I can go on this one. 1, 1. Put my red dot in. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put the red dot in. Right, I've done all the corners now. Now, you make sure that you use a ruler when you do this, but obviously I'm just doing this on an iPad. So I'm going to do it as neatly as I can. And it's going to look something like this. All I'm doing is I'm just joining the dots up and having a look and making sure that it looks similar to the one before. There we go. Now that's not entirely accurate because, of course, I'm not using a ruler. So hopefully you would use a ruler there. There you go. Let's if I just get rid of these working lines here, you'll see, hopefully, that it looks similar. That'll do. It looks similar to the one before. Obviously, if I used a ruler, it would look exactly like it. Okay, question 5 and 6. Pause the video, and I'll come back in a second. Okay, question 5. The numbers in this sequence increase by 45 each time. Write the missing numbers. Okay, so 245, I need to add 45 onto that. So 245, I could just sketch this out, couldn't I? Add 45. 5 add 5 is 10, or 4 add 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9, and then bring your 2 down. So this one's going to be 290. And then if I do that, add 45, I'll just stick another 45 under here, can't I? Make it easy for myself. And I go 0 add 5 is 5, 9 add 4 is 13, and 2 add 1 is 3. So that's going to be 335. Now, when I'm doing this way, I'm going to have to go back 45, aren't I? So I can do a takeaway there. I can do 155, take away 45. 5 take away 5 is 0, 5 take away 4 is 1, and then bring that 1 down, so that's going to be 110. Okay, question 6. Write the missing number to make this division correct. Right, okay. So, we've talked about this in previous videos, but if I've got 0.3 and I divide that by 10, it's going to go back the decimal place, isn't it? So that would be 0.03. And that is exactly what that one is there. So that's divided by 10. Okay, great. I hope that that's helpful. If it is, please do pass it on to your friends, share. If there's anything else that you want, please do comment on it. Let me know if this is working for you. Let me know if this is helpful. Let me know if there's something else that you want some help with. I'm here making videos, so I'm happy to make videos for whatever you think might help you in maths. Okay, bye.